Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about airspace awareness and risk management. When operating drones for surveying, one of the most important responsibilities of a drone pilot is maintaining airspace awareness and managing potential risk during a flight. Even though drones are relatively small aircraft, they still share the sky with helicopters, airplanes, and other aerial vehicles. Understanding the environment in which you are flying is essential for safe and professional drone operations. Let's begin with airspace awareness. Airspace refers to the portion of the atmosphere controlled by aviation authorities. Different areas of airspace have different levels of restrictions depending on the type of aviation activity in that region. Some areas allow drone operations with minimal restrictions, while others require special permission or prohibit drone flights completely. One of the most important restricted areas is airspace near airports. Aircraft frequently take off and land in these areas, which makes drone operations potentially dangerous if not properly controlled. Before conducting a drone survey mission, it is essential to check the airspace classification and restrictions in the area where you plan to fly. Many drone pilots use aviation or drone mapping applications that display restricted zones, controlled airspace, and no fly areas. These tools help ensure that drone operations remain compliant with regulations and safe for other aircraft. Now let's talk about risk management. Risk management involves identifying potential hazards before the flight and taking steps to minimize those risks. For example, one common risk during drone surveying is unexpected obstacles such as tall buildings, trees, power lines, or communication towers. Before launching the drone, surveyors should evaluate the site and identify obstacles that could interfere with the flight path. Weather conditions are another important factor in risk management. Strong winds, heavy rain, or poor visibility can significantly affect drone stability and image quality. Professional drone operators always check weather forecast and avoid flying in unsafe conditions. Another risk factor is signal interference. In urban areas or near communication towers, radio interference can disrupt the connection between the drone and the controller. Being aware of these conditions helps pilots prepare for potential signal disruptions. Battery management is also critical. Drone survey missions should always be planned so the drone can safely return before the battery reaches a critical level. Professional operators also establish emergency procedures such as defining safe landing areas in case of unexpected issues during flight. By combining airspace awareness with proper risk management, drone surveyors can conduct missions safely, efficiently, and professionally. Careful planning and awareness not only protect equipment but also ensure the safety of people, property, and other aircraft. In the next lecture, we will move into the operational side of drone surveying and explore an essential step before every mission, the pre flight safety checklist for survey flights. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.